Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So there is a package that I've been waiting for the longest time to arrive, and it finally did. And it's this guy. Now this is a USB power meter / tester. However, this is the mother of all USB testers, and it's for a pretty good price. It also has Bluetooth built in. So let's take a look at this right here. So what this does is basically you would connect it to, anything USB, and then hear whatever you're charging or whatever you're doing. For example, let's go ahead and connect my phone. So let's take a look at this. This thing is just, oh, it's awesome. All right. So as you can see here, it's booting up right now. There we go. We got it perfect. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect my phone here, and let's see what we can get out of this. All right. So I'm charging at 0.5 amp right now. What it'll also give you, it'll give you the resistance of the wire. So you know if your wire is efficient or it's crappy or it's good. So that's just absolutely amazing. I really love that. You do have a milliwatt counter down below, so how much have you charged already, and a milliamp, which is up in red. And here's groups where you can actually set, a certain group. You can switch over to group 2 or group 1, and it'll start, it just makes groups of everything. It's kind of like a lap timer, 1 lap, 2 lap, 3 laps. So it's of that nature right there. So what else can we do? Well, as you can see, we got the voltage reading, we have the amperage reading, and this thing does support quick charge 2.0 and 3.0, which is what I need for my phone. And you also get a temperature reading here, which is pretty cool. And let's go ahead and move next here. All right, so here is just another screen right there. It's been on for 1 minute and 8 seconds so far. We've charged 9 milliamps, 47 milliwatts. Now it's 10 milliamps. So let's go ahead and go next here. So let's go ahead and leave it like so. All right, and we'll get into that in a little bit. So here you also have a graph. So this graph just basically tells you, the voltage. And right now I just hit the wire, and you can see it kind of jump there. I don't have the, the best wires here. So as you can see that, look at that. So if we just stop like this, we'll get a nice consistent line. And we could see, the battery, when it starts filling up here, you can see the graph overall go down. This thing goes up to 24 volts on graphing, and the lowest is a 4.3 volt. So let's go ahead here. This is the amperage graph, which is pretty cool. I think it's rated up to 3 amps, this thing. So it's plenty enough for everything I ever need. And just the screen is just insane. So you can switch between Fahrenheit and centigrade. And you also have a brightness control and a screen timeout right there. So for 5 minutes, it'll time out and it'll just go black until you click something. All right, so that's really it. That's all it does. However, this one has a Bluetooth functionality and can be connected to your PC and your phone or your phone. So let's take a look here. Now on the PC, you have a bit more functions such as, graphing. Exporting the data in Excel sheet. So let's just say you're testing a little solar panel, a USB solar panel. You can go ahead and do that, or you're just, discharging your power bank. You could also, get the full data you want in Excel sheet. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open the app. So first you connect via Bluetooth, and let me just go ahead and quickly find the app for us here. All right, so here is our application for this. It's currently charging my phone here. So let's go ahead and connect. And we would connect like so, and there it is. And now it's connected, it'll start reading. So we are getting all the readings from here to here. It's pretty quick actually. Yeah, it has a little delay, but that's totally to be expected. We're talking over Bluetooth right now. So it's so awesome, really. So let's try to control the brightness through here. So you see that? I just dimmed it. And I would put full brightness. Screen timeout 0 minutes, which is infinity. 2 minutes, it'll just time out after 2 minutes without us touching it. Now as you can see, here's the graph. You got the green in the voltage reading, and then you have the red, which is the current reading. So you could also monitor that also throughout the house if you're doing something, which is, I just really love this. I don't know if I'll be using this, but I really wanted one because I actually lost mine, and I have a couple more solar panel projects to come, and this is going to be very useful. Actually, this is very useful for almost anyone actually. It'll test your wire, it'll tell you the resistance. The smaller the wire, the faster you'll be able to charge, the more amps will get through quicker, and obviously the gauge does matter and all that kind of crazy stuff. But overall, I'm just so happy I just love this thing. I have it next to me always. You just constantly check things. For example, your phone's not charging. You could go ahead and test out the you can plug this into your charger, and if it doesn't read any voltage, then it's dead. If it reads voltage, then it's working. So that's how you also know. So this is a tester, and it's also kind of like a measurement tool and an analyzer for you. So it's pretty cool. Overall, I really love this, and I just thought it deserves a little video because, you know, this is the mother of all USB testers out in the market right now. This was just released on Bego not too long ago, and I've just been waiting forever to get it, and it finally arrived, and I'm just so happy. Look at it. The display is just beautiful. Really, it's just very good, very bright, and the amount of options is just insane. So there's two versions, one with Bluetooth, which you cannot connect to, and which is just a standalone device like this, and one with Bluetooth. This is the one with Bluetooth I got, just for the fun of it. Maybe I could have this behind the PC, and then I could just, you know, check if everything's going good on my phone and all that kind of stuff. And overall, that's really it. So it's a pretty neat little product, which I thought deserved some recognition here. So as you see, because we changed the timeout in the app, and it went ahead and turned off right there. So let's go ahead and change it, see if it'll turn back on. Yeah, I just changed it on my phone and turned back on. That's just awesome. That is just beautiful, really. So we can even rotate the screen from my phone. So depending on how you're holding it, that's just crazy. As you can see, look. So overall, we can even clear the data. So it's charged 50 milliamps. Let's go ahead and clear the data. You can't really read that right there. Clear data. It went ahead and cleared all the data for us. This is a whole new level of battery testers. I think we're going to be seeing a lot of these. Now, you know, this is not for everyone, but it's very good to have always. For example, your cigarette lighter, you don't know why it's not charging your phone, or, you know, your car's charger and all that kind of stuff. This is how you'd know if it's the wire issue or if it's the charger itself's issue, and you would be able to figure it out through that. But overall, it's a very nice one, and it also takes firmware upgrades, as you can see right there. It takes a micro USB, so that's just awesome. And that's really it. That's gonna conclude it for this video, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to let me know. And I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.